Hello everyone, this is Bernard. Welcome to the session on CATIA V5 tips and tricks powered by the focus path. Today we'll be understanding the importance of using the corner in SketchUp. Let's quickly get into that and see how we can optimize and increase the productivity of giving this corner. As you can see, this is my rectangle which I drawn on the SketchUp workbench, right? And for this I would like to give the corner. So what you do generally is that you just double click on that, click this line and give this dimension, and select this line and give the dimension, select this line and give the dimension, and select this one as well as this one and give the dimension. So this is what we give, right, generally. But I would like to create it, and each and every time I need to go and change this value to 35 for instance, as well as this one also 35. So this is the process where you need to enter each and every value once again, right? So this is a process. But do we have a simple method where you can able to process this fillet where 35 I just gave for all these corners can be done in a single step? Yes, it's possible. Let's do Ctrl+Z, undo, and I'm just getting into this component. So this is the component. Now I'm going to select the first point. This is my first point which I selected, and this is my using Control key. Using Control key, you're going to select the second, third, and fourth one, and then you go and select it. The first point being active, second point, third point, and fourth point. So the moment you select this corner, you can see you can edit this value. You can just give the value as, for example, 25 mm. The moment you just give 25 mm, you can see that your formulas and relationships appears on the specification tree, which I will cover in the later stage of tips and tricks. But yes, you can see that you're given a formula of 25 f of x, this one 25, and this one of 25, right? Where you can able to see this f of x at each and every point. See this is my f of x. So now I can just go and change the first point which I selected and give this as 30, right? The moment you give 30, all the other corners, second, third, and fourth corners become as default as the first one. So this will increase your productivity, and later you can just give the distance between this and this one, and then I can select this one and this one so that it's fully constrained. So I'm going to give this one 260 and this one as 150. See, this is how you use this corner in an effective way using selecting this process. Thanks for watching this video from the focus path.